in its own specialized disciplines. The University of Moratuwa traces its roots to over a century. Originally established as a technical education institute in Maradana in 1893, took residence at Katubedda in 1959 and obtained the university status in 1972. With an innovative and enterprising approach, superior standards in research and development, and a high employability for its graduates, it is one of the most sought-after universities in South Asia. The unmatched student selection standards, unique set of courses, coupled with an unparalleled learning experience, makes its graduates highly reputable locally and globally. All undergraduate degree programs are 4 to 5 year honors programs accredited by national and international bodies. The Faculty of Engineering is the largest faculty in the university with over 6,500 undergraduate students and postgraduate students. 12 academic departments offering the Bachelor of the Science of Engineering degrees in 10 disciplines. Over 80% of their teaching staff hold PhDs, and its students comprise of those with the very best performance at the GCE Advanced Level Examination. The Faculty of Architecture at Moratuwa is unique, with a teaching method that gives prominence to the practice-based learning that contrasts from a diagnostic-based education system. Students learn while relating to cutting-edge technology and contemporary approaches of professional practice with the development of entrepreneurial skills. The Faculty of Information Technology uses renowned teaching methods to mold the students to face the challenges of knowledge-based economy of ever-changing technology landscape. By taking this innovative approach, the Faculty of Information Technology creates a synthesis of different thinking, allowing the students to become creative thinkers and provide innovative solutions for the ever-growing technological needs of the society.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is with immense pride and joy that you welcome to the Award Ceremony 2025 for the Higher Diploma and the Diploma in Information Technology. Today, we celebrate the dedication, hard work, and success of our students who have reached an incredible milestone in their academic journey. Dear Vice Chancellor Sir, esteemed faculty members, distinguished guests, proud parents, and my dear students, thank you for gracing this occasion with your presence today. This day marks the culmination of your perseverance, knowledge, and ambition. So let's begin this day with great enthusiasm. In keeping up with custom, let us pay our respects to our motherland. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise to the national anthem. To formally commence today's proceedings, may I now kindly invite Senior Lecturer Mrs. Visakha Nanayakkara, the Director of the Center for Open and Distance Learning, to deliver the welcome address.
Thank you, Shinal. Vice Chancellor, University of Murrituwa, Professor Niranjan Gunawardene, our chief guest this afternoon, former Vice Chancellor, Professor Malik Ranasinghe, esteemed members of the Governing Council of University of Murrituwa, Registrar of University of Murrituwa, Mr. Dishan Jayantha, Deans of the faculties, Acting Librarian, Heads of departments and fellow staff members of the Faculty of Information Technology, Faculty of Engineering, and Faculty of Business. Deputy Registrar Examinations and Registration, and the Acting Registrar Academic and Publication, Ms. Dineshi Nandasena. Assistant Registrar of the Center for Open and Distance Learning, Mr. Roshan Savanamadu. Staff of the Center for Open and Distance Learning, Examinations Division, and the Center for Instructional Technology. Distinguished guests, proud parents, and most importantly, our students who are receiving diploma and higher diploma awards today. Good afternoon to you all. It is my great pleasure to welcome you to this very special occasion, the first ever ceremony for awarding the diploma and higher diploma in information technology at the University of Murrituwa. As the director of the Center for Open and Distance Learning at the University of Murrituwa, I am honored to welcome you to this award ceremony to celebrate the academic achievements of our students. Today is a momentous day for all of us, especially for our students who have worked tirelessly to reach these milestones. The diploma and higher diploma in information technology are significant credentials that mark not just the completion of an academic milestone, but also the beginning of the new opportunities and challenges. These programs serve as a stepping stone towards your goal, earning the Bachelor of Information Technology degree. At the University of Murrituwa, we take immense pride in fostering an environment that blends academic excellence with flexibility, enabling students from diverse backgrounds to pursue higher education. Through our open and distance learning initiatives, we have empowered thousands of students to acquire knowledge and skills that are relevant to today's digital economy. The ever-evolving field of information technology demands adaptability, creativity, and continuous learning. And I'm confident that our programs have equipped the students with these essential attributes. The Bachelor of Information Technology degree was started at the university in open and distance mode to create opportunities for students to pursue their studies in the much sought after field of information technology, catering to the demand for IT graduates in the industry. Our close collaboration with the industry had been tremendously helping us align our curriculum and teaching learning methods in producing a graduate who will be matching the requirements of the world of work. The BIT program is a lateral entry, lateral exit program. Students who successfully complete the first year of studies are eligible for the diploma in information technology, and the successful completion of the second year will result in award of the higher diploma in information technology. Completion of third year earns you the degree in Bachelor of Information Technology. It was customary for us to have only the convocation of the external degrees. But we understand the need for celebrating the achievements of intermediate milestones. Here we are today, having the award ceremony for the students who have registered for the program after 22 S2 intake and has completed the requirements for the diploma and higher diploma. We are very happy and proud to celebrate their achievements by awarding them their certificates. It is an honor for us to have former Vice Chancellor, Emeritus Professor Malik Ranasinghe, as our chief guest today. Sir was a key personality in initiating the external degree programs at the university. And his passion and continuing support to us in expanding our horizons in open and distance learning has been a blessing. As the former chairman of the ICT Agency of Sri Lanka, having seen the much needed capacity enhancement of the IT workforce, he encourages and guides us in all our initiatives in furthering the IT education. I take this opportunity to thank all the people who have tremendously helped us in making this event and the external degree program a successful reality. Students, today, as you receive your diplomas, I encourage you to reflect on the determination, the resilience, and passion that have brought you here. Balancing studies with professional and personal commitments is no small feat. Remember that learning does not end with a diploma or a degree. It is a lifelong journey. Embrace the challenges ahead with confidence and continue to explore, innovate, and contribute to the IT industry and to the society at large. To the parents and families present here today, this achievement is as much yours as it is your children's. Your unwavering support, encouragement, and sacrifices have been instrumental in helping them reach this milestone. Your belief in their dreams has given them the strength to persevere, and today you can take pride in seeing them succeed. Thank you for being their pillars of strength and for placing your trust in us to shape their academic and personal journeys. I would also like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our faculty members and the staff of the Center for Open and Distance Learning who have guided and mentored our students through their educational journey. Your dedication and commitment to excellence have played a crucial role in shaping the future of these students. As we celebrate this achievement, let us also look forward to the future with optimism. The IT industry continues to grow at an unprecedented pace, and I have no doubt that our students will play a significant role in shaping its future, especially the digital future of Sri Lanka. Stay curious, stay ambitious, and never stop learning. Once again, congratulations to all our students receiving diplomas and higher diplomas today. We are incredibly proud of you and look forward to seeing great things you will achieve in the years to come. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am, for that wonderful and warm welcome address. Today, as we mentioned, we gather here to celebrate the accomplishments of yours. So we will commence the awarding of the diploma in information technology, which will be followed by the higher diploma in information technology. So it is now my privilege to invite Mr. B.H. Sudantha, Dean of the Faculty of Information Technology, to announce the names of the recipients of the diploma in information technology. I also have the honor of inviting Senior Professor N.D. Gunawardena, Vice Chancellor of the University of Moratuwa, to present the diplomas, who will be accompanied by Mr. Roshan Savanawadu, Assistant Registrar of the Center for Open and Distance Learning.
Vice Chancellor, I present M.H. Aisha, M.J.M. Asan, P.A.R.C. Alvis, M.I.F. Amani, ADI Amarasinghe, IW Ambepitiya, T Anantujan, RC Karen, KDN De Silva, KED De Silva, AMP Gunatilaka, KAP Gunawardana, MHF Hafsa, PS Hondamunige, M Janiskant, MJM SM Jaisinghe, CY Kaluwage, NHDS Karnatilaka, HMCD Karnatilaka, HS Koralagamage, BLKD Lianage, HPR Manoshita, BS Netmihiri, WPS Nirmi, LD Nitila, TPG Prasadi, LS Rajapaksha, RMJH Rajapaksha, RMCPB Ratnayaka, GKMD රූපසිංහ MGS සල්ගාදු MJAA සම්පත් WDR සාන්තා JMCD සෙනවිරත්න PAKS සෙනවිරත්න AMR සශ්මිතින් DMD ශිමල්ක A තර්ෂායිනී KDD තරුදිසි WMJM වනසිංහ WLADTK වීරසූරිය WACS වික්‍රමාරච්චි HBJS විජයකුමාර UMCS විජේරත්න DGTC විජේසේකර PWDT විජේරත්න AR ආකිබ් MF අබ්දුල්ලා KD අබේසිරිවර්ධන HYM අබේරවර්ධන SSP ආදිත්‍ය HA අහමද් MMZ අහමද් NM අනාෆ් A. Ajay, F. H. Amir, NMF Amra, PBDN Andravira, MAS Anuttara, ARM Arsat, MA Arshad, S. Atyan, MN Asma, MAF Asma, DAMPM Atapattu, MBA Ayesh, ARB MAS Bandar Nayaka, CNA Bopage, HKMAA Buddhimal, N. Dhanushan, UKC Darshana, R. Davina, WTN Diazalis, KDC De Silva, HCN De Soisa, DAMU Dadigamuwa, WMSI Deshapriya, RSH Devmini, GMPA Dhananjali, AKD Dilshani, MGIA Diniruwan, DMIK Disanayaka, DMSD Disanayaka, RMCS Disanayaka, PGH Dulanjana, GMR Dulshan, EMMGDB Edirisingha, KGPL Ekanayaka, KMGRK Ekanayaka, MNF Fahama, AMA Farwin, AJ Franklin, MVNT Gamage, TK Gimhan, MSA Hatha, HMKD Herat, NHSS Hevage, AW Inas Ahmed, MIM Ishraq, FJM Javahir, JACH Jayasurya, JMRSB Jayasundara, RJSM Jayasundara, S. Jetusan, T. Kabilashika, KMDL කරුණානායක MKP කරුණාරත්න BGVM කරුණාතිලක TGDR කරුණාතිලක MN Khatija BGK Kaushani JDS Kavisha GAC Kavindya SK Keel A Kirusnaraj R Krishni V Kroshika T Kukaini S Kumar Kulasingham KBSV Kumari AD Lakshita ULAP Liyanage MWP Madhumali PGDST Madhuanta MLAT Malsha PSN Mandini MGS Manjula DMYB Mihidukula Surya MCI Mohammed PAKT Nadishani, AF Nasrat, API Navaratna, DAKDC Netmini, NAGR Nettasingha, DDTT Nikshan, MMAN Nisansa, N Pamila, TKSA Piris, TSJ Piris, KANR Pereira, R Piranavan, RG Piyatissa, SYM Prabhasara, WRR Pramodya, WLA Pramudita, WS Prasad, S Prashant, MWKG Prematilaka, A Pulendran, K Ragavarshan, MRAA Rahmat, RMUA Ramanayaka, KKDR Ranavira, RMHS රන්දනිය UPS රන්දිම GGHN රත්නසිරි RMKW රත්නායක RMMW රත්නායක BM රිලා MRF රිස්ලා ARJR Rodrigo MRF Rukeya MAAI Rupasinghe BGD Rupasinghe MP Sudanchana MIF Safia SAKR Samaravira JT Sandeep WS Sandeep RM Sandupama AGY Sanjula T Sapina MAFR Sara YGNM Sarat Chandra MDR Satsarani KGJC Seranayaka BGTI Senaratna KS Sevmini DMA සෙව්වන්දි CR ශර්මි MAF ෂේහා KH ෂෙහානි ASM සුෆියන් U යුගන්ත් NN සූරසිංහ TMW KJ තෙන්නකෝන් MMM තන්සීම් J තවේශිනී J තේවරාජ් KGVC තිලකරත්න M තිලේක්ෂන් WDI උදේශිකා RD වින්ද TAA විදුරංග J විනෝෂිකා S විශ්වපරති J විතූෂන් WDPB වීරසිංහ DD වෙලහෙට්ටි RD IM වික්‍රමසිංහ WMSKK වික්‍රමසිංහ SJ විජේනායක HAWMK විජේරත්න NWIH විජේරත්න ID CN Vijay Singh, UWA JR Vijay Tugga, MNF Yumna, AHF Sumra, DMTN Disanayaka, DH Sampath, MDGK Pereira, TNN Nashrin.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations to all the achievers. Your success is a testament to your dedication and passion for learning. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for the awards ceremony speech. It is my great honor to invite a distinguished academic and a leader to deliver this address today. Professor Malik Ranasinghe is an emeritus professor at the University of Moratuwa and currently serves as the Vice President of the National Academy of Sciences, Sri Lanka. He is the former Vice Chancellor of the University of Moratuwa and a former Chairman of the Information and Communication Technology Agency of Sri Lanka. Throughout his illustrious career, he has held numerous leadership positions in esteemed corporate and academic institutions, contributing significantly to education, research, and national development. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Professor Malik Ranasinghe to deliver the awards ceremony address.
Vice Chancellor, Sir, members of the University Council, Registrar, Deans of Faculties, Heads of Departments, Director, Center for Open and Distance Learning, members of the academic staff, parents and well-wishers, dear students, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for inviting me to be the chief guest at the first ever Bachelor of Information Technology, External Degree Award Ceremony 2025 at the University of Moratuwa. The award ceremony is an event at which a university recognizes and celebrates the achievements of a group of students. In this instance, with the award of the diploma and the higher diploma of the BIT degree program. The BIT degree program commenced when I was the Vice Chancellor of the university. While I would like to claim credit for the BIT degree program, there were two academics who were the real heroes. Dr. Ajit Madura Peruma, who was the then Dean of the Faculty of Information Technology, introduced the concept and the curriculum of the BIT degree to the University of Moratuwa. Unfortunately, Dr. Madura Peruma could not be present today as he had other previously scheduled events. The other is our current Vice Chancellor, Professor Niranjan Gunawardena, who was then the Deputy Vice Chancellor, meticulously analyzed, developed, and corrected all the documentations that was necessary to obtain approval from the University Council and the University Grants Commission. If not for those two academics, we would not have the BIT degree. All I did was to take credit for the BIT degree. The undergraduates who are receiving your diplomas today have gone through a rigorous process of education and skill training from the Faculty of Information Technology and the Center for, and the CODL at the University of Moratuwa. I can assure all of you that your efforts are worthwhile as your qualifications are sought after by the ICT industry. I congratulate all the diplomates who are receiving your awards today. You have worked hard and the university is recognizing your achievements. This is a start, a day of promise for a rewarding career of challenges and achievements. Hence, it is important for you to recognize, appreciate, and be grateful to your parents, your family members, and your teachers for helping you and supporting you in the numerous ways to become a diplomat. I humbly remind you that it is your duty to ensure that you repay your parents and your family members' struggle and sacrifices at the very least by completing your BIT degree and becoming a productive and a useful citizen of our country. The knowledge society of today provides ample opportunities for an individual to succeed and prosper. The advantages one had in the past through endowment he had at birth are no longer significant advantages for success. In my opinion, the recipe for success in today's society is effective knowledge that an individual has and his willingness to work hard, adapt to change, be innovative, and compete for success. BIT degree program is the only degree program at the University of Moratuwa that allows an undergraduate to be recognized with an award of a diploma at different stages of the degree, as mentioned by the director of the CODL. While the diploma and the higher diploma provides employment opportunities in the ICT industry, please do not consider that as a final qualification. It is therefore very important that all of you make up your mind to complete the BIT degree program as soon as possible. It is only with the completion of your degree program that you will acquire the core competencies you require to succeed in your career in your IT career. The core competencies including acquiring effective knowledge, skills and proper attitudes, and facing competition in pursuit of academic and professional excellence. You will also be empowered with the necessary skills geared towards assessing possibilities, grasping opportunities, and shaping the future of yourself and the organizations that will employ you. Therefore, please remember, your involvement with academic activities, however, does not end with this diploma, as all of you must obtain training and professional development to graduate the BIT degree to ensure that you are in the cutting edge of the IT and communication technology industry, your chosen profession. Remember, all of you have to cultivate the habit of lifelong learning, not to stop halfway but continue studying to succeed in the knowledge society of today, whether at the university or once you go out to the world of work. I am sure all of you are familiar with the open.um.lk, the University of Moratuwa's free of charge online learning platform. Some of you may have even completed the full stack developer program that's available. If you have not completed the full stack developer program, those who are doing it, please complete it. Those who are not registered, do register, because the industry seems to consider that as an essential qualification to have if you want to join the industry. Of course, the diploma is good enough, but that helps. Today, since I didn't hear it, 3 years since it was launched, open.um.lk platform has over 300,000 students or participants of all ages, from school children to retirees. The innovative developments and the learnings and our experiences with open.um.lk platform are all included in the BIT degree program to make it the best IT external degree program available in Sri Lanka. Ladies and gentlemen, the award ceremony is a day of great pride and joy to the university teacher. We see a young student we met maybe 2 or 3 years ago become a man or woman with academic excellence today. Your teachers, especially the director CODL, have tried hard, enjoyed your success, shared your defeats to prepare you to be ready to meet the challenges of society and the world of work. Sometimes we all forget the sacrifices the teachers have to make in carrying out their duties towards the student, especially with resource constraints and limited facilities. All the teachers teach full-time in an undergraduate program and also work in your program. Sometimes we take them for granted, and sometimes through our actions may make them feel unappreciated. Therefore, I salute and recognize the thankless services of our Vice Chancellor, Director CODL, and all the academic staff for continuing to give you, the students, the very best despite all the difficulties they face. Your commitment to the cause of online higher education in general and to the University of Moratuwa in particular are exemplary. Therefore, I invite all of you to join me with a round of applause to appreciate and recognize the academic and administrative staff of the IT faculty and the CODL at the University of Moratuwa who are present today. Thank you. Let me conclude by congratulating the University of Moratuwa and the Center for Open and Distance Learning for organizing an excellent award ceremony, which is first of its nature, and wish the Vice Chancellor, Deans of Faculties, Director of the CODL, and the academic staff, and the registrar and the administrative staff every success in their future endeavors. I also take this opportunity to congratulate all of you, the diplomates, once again, and wish you all the very best for the great future that lies ahead of you. Please make sure you complete your BIT degree. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, indeed, for reminding us our roots and the importance of continuous learning. And now it's time for us to recognize the recipients of the higher diploma in information technology. So it is with my privilege, I once again kindly invite Mr. B.H. Sudanta, Dean of the Faculty of Information Technology, to announce the names of the recipients of the Diploma in Information Technology, Higher Diploma in Information Technology, and I also have the honor of inviting Senior Professor Indi Gunwadana, Vice Chancellor of the University of Moratuwa, to present the diplomas, accompanied by Mr. Roshan Savanavadu, Assistant Registrar of the Center for Open and Distance Learning.
Vice Chancellor, I present M.H. Aisha, M.J.M. Asan, P.A.R.C. Alvis, MIF Amani, ADI Amar Singh, IW Ambepitiya, T Anantujan, RC Karen, KDN De Silva, KED De Silva, AMP Gunatilaka, KAP Gunawardana, MHF Hafsa, PS Hondamunige, M Janishkant, HAMSM Jaisingh, CY Kaluage, NHDS Karnatilaka, HMCD Karnatilaka, HS Korlagamage, BL KD Lianage, HPR Manoshita, BS Netmihiri, WPS Nirmi, LD Nitila, TPG Prasadi, LS Rajapaksha, RM.J.H. Rajapaksha, RM.C.P.B. Ratnayaka, G.K.M.D. Rupasinghe, M.G.S. Salgado, M.J.A. Sampath, W.D.R. Santa, J.M.C.D. Senaviratna, P.A.K.S. Senaviratna, A.M.R. Shashmin, D.M.D. Shimalka, A. Tarshayani, K.D.D. Tarudisi, W.M.J.M. Vanasinghe, W.L.A.D.T.K. Veerasuriya, W.A.C.S. Vikramarachi, H.B.J.S. Vijaykumara, U.M.C.S. Vijayaratna, D.G.T.C. Vijayasekara, P.W.G.D.T. Vijayaratna,
Thank you, sir. And congratulations to the higher diploma awardees. So with that, we have come to the conclusion of today's award ceremony. We sincerely thank each of you for being part of this special occasion. We extend our heartfelt congratulations to all the recipients, and we wish you all happiness, and also may you continue in pursuing your passion for learning. And a special note of special word of thanks goes to everyone who worked tirelessly to make this day a success, and your efforts are deeply appreciated. Before we close, I kindly ask all the guests to please stand and remain standing until the Vice-Chancellor's procession takes off, and refreshments will be served at the entrance for all the participants. Once again, thank you and have a wonderful evening.